My people, how is your December going? I still make I ask you now because I don't understand these days. Anywhere you go to, anywhere you turn to, even on the internet, it's so dirty December vibes going on. Are you currently shaking your body to some Oja music, or you're in the kitchen preparing all preparables for the family? I mean, it's really a dirty December here in Aligo. Everywhere you turn to, it's pure vibes and good energy. You know what they say about us Igbos, right? We don't just celebrate Christmas, we make it a festival of festivals. And this year, oh my people, it looks like the best one yet. If you're not seeing a new house somewhere in the village, you're seeing different kinds of cars, driving into the village from every corner and every angle. So, my dearest viewers, where are you spending your December? Are you flexing it at home in Ebonyi, Anambra, Imo, Enugu, or Abia State? Or you're hopping from one Owambe party to another? Or did you choose to stay back at base because there is no money? Don't worry, there's still time to pack your bags and come home, because let me tell you, Aligo is absolutely booming right now. Igbo sons and daughters are returning home in style. I mean, grand style. Have you seen the convoys? SUVs, G-Wagons everywhere. People are just arriving the village with full swag this December, and trust our people, Ndigo, every returning comes with a mission, whether it's to spend, invest, or just flex and remind us that money day. But honestly, this season isn't just about showing off, it's about reconnecting, my people. You see those uncles and aunties you haven't seen in years. Now is the time to bond over palm wine and village gist. And let's not forget, it's the perfect time to eat all the food that you can. And not just any food, local foods. In fact, if you haven't eaten your weight in nkwobi yet, what are you even doing with your life? Let me paint you a picture of Aligo this December. The roads are lit up with decorations, the air smells of roasted foods, and every corner you turn, there's a band playing either Igbo high life or gospel bangers, and the village squares are bustling with activities, from masquerade dances to football matches and even night vigils. There's something for everyone this season. But wait though, who else has noticed the serious matchmaking vibes going on? This season, people are meeting the absolute love of their lives. Now, jokes apart, December in Aligo is something truly special. It's more than the parties and the feasting, it's about community. This is the time when we come together to give back. Many of our Igbo brothers and sisters who have made it big in the city or abroad come home not just to flex, but to invest in their roots, to give back to the community where they come from. Look around and you'll see free medical outreaches, scholarship announcements, donations to churches, to schools, even markets, to everyone that truly needs it. It's heartwarming, really. This is what makes us Igbos so unique, our love for our people and our land. Let me gist you small. It's not just about the big donations that matter now. Even small gestures like buying goods from local traders or patronizing our craftsmen make a difference. So, if you're home this December in the East, spend wisely. Support our local economy because every naira counts. And speaking of spending, where are my shopaholics? Have you visited any close-by markets in the village? How is the market? I mean, in terms of crowdiness, is it as crowdy as it is in other places? Okay, before I go, let me leave you with this thought. December in Aligo isn't just about the parties, the food, or even the flexing. It's a celebration of who we are as a people, our culture, our resilience, and our love for community. So, wherever you are this season, make it count. Call that relative you'll be avoiding, send that Christmas gift, and most importantly, enjoy every moment. That's it for today, my Born People TV family. Don't forget to tell me in the comments how your December is going. Where are you spending it? What's the vibe like? And have you eaten any local delicacy? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, it's still your ghost host, Faith Kalu.